Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I am going to be doing a special video on how to make your own massage oil. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Let me tell you that the reason I'm doing this video is because it was a special request by hairdresser. So I want to give a shout out to hairdresser. She is one of my viewers and she's fabulous. So I am very happy to do this video for her and for everybody else. Let's talk about massages real quick. The first thing is I love massages. I am very happy to give up on a lot of salon activities. For example, I will dye my own hair, I'll do my own manicures, I will do my pedicures very so often. But mostly I will not give up my massage because I think that when you have a massage, you really feel pampered. When I have a massage, I feel centered, I feel totally relaxed. It allows me to get in touch with myself and to really focus 100% on me. It's super relaxing, super soothing, and I think everybody needs to have a massage. I actually know people who have never had a massage. If you're one of those people who have never had a massage, please trust me. You should have one massage and then make up your mind. You know, it's like eating. Have your parents ever said, well, how do you know if you don't like it if you've never tried it? So that's what I think about massages. Now let me show you my oils. I have a whole bunch of oils, and what I do is that I make my own massage oil. I put it in a bottle, I put my name on the bottle, and I leave it with the massage therapist. So when I go, they have my own custom-made massage oil, and I know exactly what's in it, and I customize it to what I want. So let me just show you some of the things that I put in my massage oil. First of all, the base that I use is the liquid coconut oil. The reason why it's liquid, it's because it's refracted. That makes it stay in a liquid form, because if it were the regular coconut oil, it might get hard, and that's not something that I want my massage therapist to have to deal with, having to warm it up in order to be able to apply it. It's just too difficult, too cumbersome, so let's make it easy on her and let's give it to her this way. The one I use is Luana. It's 100% pure. You can use whichever one you want. So that's the first thing. We're getting that out of the way. That's the carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil that you like, which means you can use almond oil or any carrier oil. Almond oil is a little more expensive. And I'm about saving money. Plus, I love coconuts. I love coconuts for everything. So now let's go into the oils. I'm going to start with probably one of my favorite oils. And this one I learned about from Little Poet, from Susan. So I'm going to link all of the products as well as any channels that I should mention below so that you can go visit them and tell them I say hi. So Rosehip oil is probably my very, very favorite oil, and I'm going to read to you. This one is by Go Pure. You guys that come and visit my channel, you know that I like Go Pure products. They're very affordable. So I will link everything below for you. Now, rosehip oil has a lot of vitamin C. It hydrates and moisturizes. It also helps exfoliate and brighten. So if you have those sunspots, sun damage, it's going to help for that. It's going to boost your collagen. It's going to reduce inflammation. It's going to protect against further sun damage because of the vitamin C content and other ingredients that it has. I'm not going to do a whole chemical breakdown for you. I don't think you need it, you know, and it helps reduce hyperpigmentation. I really admire those content creators who can just tell you everything, all the chemicals and all the breakdowns and scientific explanations. And I do the research once and then I forget the details because I just can't remember them and I don't see the point. I just know, okay, it's good. And that's all I keep with me. So yeah, okay, it's good. I'm going to read some of the things for you because I'm sure you're curious. But this is 100% pure and natural and cold pressed, and it's premium grade A. This is the product I recommend from Go Pure. Now we're going to go to the next item, and that would be, that's something really popular nowadays, and that's hemp seed oil. So here I have one that I'm using, which is hemp seed oil serum from Spa Life. Now you can use whichever one you want. I'm going to try and link some options for you below, but this is the one I'm using. The reason I like it is because in addition to the regular 100% hemp seed oil, it also has some antioxidants and vitamin E. So we know how good that is for you. Hemp seed oil is going to soothe your skin and it's going to hydrate your skin. Here are some of the things that it's going to help you with. It's going to help reduce inflammation and it has antibacterial properties. Woohoo! So that is excellent, especially if you're going to go, have a massage. You want some of this oil in your massage oil. I love that idea. And of course, it also has antioxidant. This one particular, it has additional antioxidants with the vitamins that are added to it. But even if it only had 100% hemp seed oil, you would have the properties of antioxidants, which fight the free radicals, and that's excellent for your skin. So that's the Spa Life. I like that the bottle is nice and big because mostly you get very small size bottles with hemp seed oil. So that one I like because of that. Now I'm going to go with something that used to be really popular, and I don't know why the popularity died down, but that is the Marula Oil. Marula oil is really, really good for your skin. This is a 100% virgin marula oil. And the properties is they're hydrating and moisturizing, and it's also an antioxidant, so it's going to fight those free radicals, which are all over the place. And it's anti-inflammatory. Now you see that one common thread on most of these oils are that it is anti-inflammatory. So if you're going to have a full body massage, don't you think you should have some anti-inflammatory oil in it? I don't think that they put oils with anti-inflammatory properties in their regular oils. So make your own oil. It is very inexpensive and have all of the benefits that you want. I'm going to show you one more thing. However, this is no longer available. Don't you hate that when you find a fabulous product and then it disappears? This is a fabulous product, no longer available. This is from Aesthetic Theory, and it's a stretch mark remover called Fitopia. It's actually the best product, excuse me, that I have ever tried. The very best. I love the product. I love the way it smells. I love the way it, oh my gosh, it's just fabulous. Unfortunately, it's no longer available. So this product has organic olive oil, rosehip, evening primrose, jojoba, and it also has neroli, which is like an orange type of essence, and it has I don't know what else it has. That's it. That's all it has. Excellent. So you could find neroli oil online. You could do that, and that's going to have a high content of vitamin C. And you could also find the jojoba oil. But I just like this because it smells delicious. This is not essential because the properties that this provides are available in the other oils I showed you. But it smells so delicious, and when I run out of this, I'm going to buy the neroli essential oil because that's going to give me that scent that I absolutely love. So that's it. Those are all of my oils. I mix them together. How much? Well, this is going to be probably up to 85% of my oils, and then the rest are just put in as much as I want. You don't have to worry about them because these are not oils that are going to hurt you. So you just put as much as you want to have your own concoction, and that's it. That's really it. It's fabulous. You need to have a massage. So try and set one up and then let me know how it went. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.